Higgsfield AI Vibe Motion Review. How Claude AI is changing motion design. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about something really exciting at the intersection of two powerful AI tools, Higgsfield AI's Vibe Motion feature, and how Claude AI is changing the way motion design actually works. If you are a content creator, designer, or just someone fascinated by where AI is taking visual media, you are going to want to watch this. Let's get into it. What is Higgsfield AI? Higgsfield AI is a video generation platform that specializes in creating cinematic, high-quality AI video content. It is built for creators who want professional-looking motion video without needing a full production team behind them. The platform has been making waves for its realistic motion quality and its ability to generate video that actually looks and moves like something a human directed. Vibe Motion is one of its standout features that takes this even further. What is Vibe Motion? Vibe Motion is Higgsfield's approach to applying a specific motion style or energy to AI-generated video. Instead of just generating a static-looking clip, Vibe Motion lets you define the feel, pace, and movement style of the video, whether that is slow and cinematic, energetic and dynamic, smooth and flowing, or anything in between. It gives creators much more expressive control over how their video actually moves rather than just what it shows. Where Claude AI comes in here is where it gets really interesting. Claude AI is changing how creators interact with tools like Higgsfield. Instead of manually tweaking settings and parameters, creators are using Claude to write detailed, highly descriptive motion prompts that unlock the full potential of Vibe Motion. Claude is exceptionally good at translating a creative vision into precise descriptive language, the kind of rich, detailed prompting that AI video tools respond to best. How creators are using them together. The workflow looks something like this. A creator comes to Claude with a rough idea, maybe a product promo, a music video clip, or a cinematic scene. Claude helps craft a detailed prompt that describes not just the visuals but the motion energy, the camera movement, the pacing, and the mood. That prompt then goes into Higgsfield's Vibe Motion system, which uses it to generate video that actually captures the intended feeling. The result is motion design that feels intentional and directed rather than randomly generated. Why this matters for motion design. What makes this combination powerful is that it democratizes motion design. You no longer need to be a trained animator or a video director to produce compelling motion content. With Claude handling the creative language layer and Higgsfield handling the visual generation layer, a solo creator can produce work that previously required an entire creative team. That is a genuinely significant shift in what is possible for independent creators and small studios. Final thoughts. Higgsfield Vibe Motion is an impressive tool on its own, but pairing it with Claude AI as your creative prompt partner takes it to another level entirely. The combination of Claude's language intelligence and Higgsfield's motion generation is a glimpse at how AI tools are going to work together rather than in isolation going forward. If you are into AI video creation, definitely explore both of these tools and see what you can build with them working together. If this video gave you some useful insight, please like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Drop a comment below with what you would create using these tools, and I will see you in the next one.